Good morning. We're having shrimp tacos today. So I'm going to make the crema this morning. I guess it's called crema. Taco sauce on top. I don't know. Anyway, it calls for, and I'm following your recipe, so I'll put the recipe down below. But a 1/3 cup of sour cream. 1/3 cup of mayonnaise. That's probably, what, 3 of these? Or 2 big heaping. Or the rest of this. That's what I'm thinking. It's the rest. Right. Pour all that in a bowl. There's Finn. Hi, Finn. Hi, Finn. And I have a lime here. I need a knife. Finn says, are you cooking? Are you going to be my cooking buddy today? See him sleeping in? Is that it? All right. I got the recipe on my laptop behind me. I'm going to have tablespoons. Well, I'm just going to eyeball it. And this lime has no juice. How is that possible? Nothing. I have a lemon. I have another lime. That one didn't have any juice. Roll it out. If this doesn't work, I've got a lemon. Okay, that one's got a little bit more in it. Yeah. All right, that's good. Stir it. Stir, 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 stir. How about just, there we go. Just pour some in. And some sriracha. And I sure did not mean to buy this big old thing of sriracha. Sometimes that's what happens when you do a Walmart pickup order. You either get the too big a size or too small a size. If you're not familiar with the sizes. And a little bit of sriracha. That's what it looks like. Alright, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. I think it needs a little bit more sriracha. A little bit more. Put that in the refrigerator. And start chopping the other veggies. I got some fresh cilantro. I'm going to use part of that. For the rest of that purple onion I got from HelloFresh. What else? Avocados. These are those frozen avocados. I'm letting those thaw, and I'm going to make some some guacamole, which I'll do that right now. And I don't have my Herdez sauce, so I'm going to use some of this Sweet Heat Honey Chipotle Hatch Valley green chili. Yeah. Let's see how that tastes. Usually I use the verde sauce. Chili verde. Finn, get out of the trash. He's curious. He says, I have to be curious about everything so I can learn. Yeah. I have to be curious about everything so I can learn. my fresh roasted green chilies I've eaten. So I need to get another sack out of the freezer. So I have them available. Let's do a taste test. Taste. That'll work. It's not my guacamole, but it'll work. In a pinch. Alright, now let's cut up some veggies. Okay, let's cut up some of this purple onion. Oh, let me get rid of this part. Put that in my veggie bag in the freezer. And I'm not going to cut up very much of this. What I should do is pickle it like I did the other day. Not do that with leftovers. Not that I'm going to have leftovers, because I'm not going to cook that much shrimp. Now let's put up some cabbage. Instead of lettuce and tomatoes, we're going to have cabbage on our shrimp tacos. Put that in the veggie. Alright. Let's see. There. Alright, now I'm going to put the shrimp on to rehydrate. Okay, there's the dehydrated shrimp. And I pulled out, there's some little bitty ones. I pulled out about 5 for each taco. And I'm going to do 4 tacos. So, and now I need water. Alright, I got the water in. Now I am going to start it. I'm going to simmer this probably about 10 minutes or so, and then I'm just going to let it sit there and rest until time to build tacos. And I'm going to put in this seasoning that I just mixed up. I may add some chicken bouillon to it. May add some chicken bouillon to it too, but I want this to cook, and then I'll taste one of those little bitty ones and see what I think. Okay, this is our shrimp tacos. I've got the shrimp, cabbage, purple onion, cilantro, limes, and I still have more limes, but this one doesn't have much juice in it. Really? And you have something to say? And Sammy too? Yeah. Are you cutie? You're a cutie. Yeah. And to finish, guacamole and the crema. So, no, you can't have guacamole or crema, okay? No, you can't. What do you say? She says, I'm going to get down and get me some water. You want down? Okay. You want down? Okay. All right. Come on.
I'm so excited. Custom shrimp tacos for lunch. How special is that? And I bet they're better than... Where do we go?
Lapitas?
No.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, Lupitas, but where is it? I can't
In
think
Mexico?
right now. Yes. Where do we go in Mexico?
Algodones?
Los Algodones. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am on my lunch break and I'm blown away by getting to have shrimp tacos and I just couldn't think. But let's see how they are. How are you? You're being such a good boy.
Are they good? Now I can tell you that they're dehydrated. I mean, freeze-dried shrimp.
No way. No way.
Yeah, freeze-dried shrimp.
Oh, Jenna, it's so good. Of course, Frugal RV gal cooked it, so what's not to be surprised about? But it is so good. Thank you.